Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for DIY electrical help. Today, we will install an outdoor electrical box. It's a lot like installing a cut-in box for the inside. In some ways, it is easier because you can see where the siding is screwed into the studs. You will need 12-2 wire, a cut-in box, your multi-tool, silicone, and screw gun. You want to stay in between the two studs. You also want to stay in between the grooves of the siding. Otherwise, water has a better chance of getting in your box. Don't go too low with your box because you don't want to hit the foundation. If it helps, drill a small pilot hole from the inside so you know where the foundation starts. Trace your cut-in box using a level. Cut your hole out with your multi-tool. Loosen the tabs on the cut-in box so you don't strip the screws. Insert the wire and screw in the box. Lastly, you want to silicone around the box to ensure no water or bugs can get in. Now you're ready to install your weather-resistant GFCI and bubble cover. Visit thevirtualelectrician.com for more help, like this video, and subscribe to our page for a link to 150 other more videos.